Hey there, it's Leslie at Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and today's cookie kicks off a whole series of wine-related cookies. So join me, stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. So I found some wine glass clip art on the internet, and I used my projector to trace an image onto my cookie. If you don't have a projector, you can also use a paper piecing method, and I have videos about that on my channel. I'll leave a link in the description. So I'm using black icing in a piping consistency to very slowly outline my wine glass. I want to make sure that the icing lands right on the pencil mark because I don't want that to show through. Oh, and by the way, the pencil is non-toxic. And I used a pencil instead of an edible marker because if I do make a mistake and my black line does not land on exactly the right spot, I can erase the pencil line with a little bit of water on a dampened paintbrush. And as you can see, as I'm piping here, if you raise your piping bag up away from the cookie at least 1/8 of an inch, or even as high as 1/4 of an inch, you can watch where your icing is falling, and you can place a much straighter line than if you keep your piping bag right next to the cookie. Now that the cookie is outlined, I'll go ahead and fill in the wine. I'm using a 15-second consistency royal icing for the wine, and I'm just going to outline and flood in the sections. And then I'll take my scribe, or you can use a toothpick, and I'll use it to move the icing out into all of the edges and to smooth it out. And once the icing is all smoothed out, I'm going to take my white icing in a 15-second consistency and put it right down into the red icing and make some little highlights. And you can use your scribe to very gently shape your highlights, but be careful not to blend it too much, otherwise you'll end up with more like a tie-dye swirl than a highlight. And one last highlight, and then these cookies are done. I think they came out pretty cute. I like how they're offset. And these are the other cookies in the series, which will be coming soon, so be sure to subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please leave me a note in the comments to let me know what else you'd like to see. Thanks for watching. Bye.